Belgium, I think it is. Let's go twerk in Belgium. I'm going to Antwerp. I'm gonna say goodbye for now to this amazing view because I want to see Antwerp. I know nothing about Antwerp except for the fact that it's in Belgium. I guess it's in Belgium. This is actually not my first time in Antwerp. I've been there before. But when I went there, I chose Antwerp because it was close to Tomorrowland. So I actually spent the whole day in Tomorrowland and I only went back to the hotel just to sleep. So yeah, I haven't seen the city that much, but I've heard that it's a beautiful city. And as far as I saw, it was. But I don't know if there's much to do because it's like, Belgium is a boring country anyway. When in terms of like, it doesn't have so much party life and partying and clubbing apart from Tomorrowland. So I don't have very high expectations because I always choose party destinations. And definitely Antwerp is not one of them, but I think it's gonna be nice. It's going to be a beautiful city, a beautiful trip, so I'm excited for it. YouTube, I think these are some kind of attractions.
Past the belt to get anywhere else. So the port of Antwerp is still a very
To Antwerp, definitely visit this building because it has a lot about Antwerp's history and it's really beautiful and you can learn a lot.
Maar samen met Eros Ramazzotti stond ze op 749.
I'm so ready for this pumpkin soup.